Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to change your username on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Whether you're rebranding or just want a fresh start, this process is quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to x.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From this menu, locate and click on the More icon. It's represented by 3 dots. This will expand additional options for you to choose from. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your account. Under the Your Account section, click on Account Information. At this point, you might be prompted to enter your password for security purposes, so make sure you have it handy. Once inside the Account Information section, find and click on Username. Here, you'll see your current username displayed at the top. Below it, there will be a text box where you can type in your new desired username. Type in the new username you'd like to use. If the username is already taken, X will notify you and suggest alternatives. Keep trying until you find one that's available. After entering your new username, click the Save button to finalize the change. And that's it. Your username has now been updated successfully. Remember, this change won't affect your followers or previous interactions. They'll simply see your new username moving forward. If they don't notice it immediately, they may need to refresh their app or browser. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. See you next time.